The county government of Nakuru has suffered yet another blow after a court in Nyandarua declined to set aside orders that allowed the private management of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital to access and resume operations. Justice Juvenalis Angima dismissed the application made by the county government and directed that the earlier orders are extended and implemented by Nakuru County Police Commander. The ruling comes barely a week after the same court quashed a gazette notice by Nakuru Land's registrar cancelling a 50-year lease of the hospital land to the private management. Ken Gashuhi reports.
Attempts by the county government of Nakuru to continue keeping off the private management of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital have for another time hit a snag. This is after the Nyandarua Environment and Lands Court Judge Justice Juvenalis Angima on Thursday dismissed an application by the county government seeking to have the court set aside earlier orders that allowed the private company to take over the facility and resume its operations.
The interim orders of 31st October 2023 shall remain in force. The second orders are meant to ensure that the first orders are enforced.
The court had in October last year ordered the county police commander Samuel Ndanyi to ensure that the private management is restored in the interim until further orders are issued, a directive which remains on paper.
There's an application for contempt which is pending, and once it's determined, then the issue of whether or not your client would have a right of audience should also be considered. You might find that at the end of the day, for instance, if your clients are found to be in contempt of court, probably they might have no right of audience.
The private management of the hospital, through its lawyer Kamau Chomba, told the court that the management would require police protection after taking over to secure the facility from further invasion as seen in the past.
Order be issued that there should not be interference from the first defendant and the first to the fourth contemporary, and we will be most obliged to pay whatever cost is necessary to ensure that the police provide us security.
The latest directive is another blow to the county government of Nakuru, coming days after the court nullified the move by the Nakuru Lands Registrar to cancel a 50-year lease title of the hospital land issued to the private company and reinstated the document. In a statement made on Facebook, Nakuru Governor Susan Kihika said the county government of Nakuru would appeal the decision, insisting that the lease for the 25-acre piece of land was irregularly issued. A visit to the hospital by KTN News established that unknown people had embarked on fencing off part of the hospital, with a padlock on its main gate gathering rust over the months. Ken Gashuhi, KTN News.
Ahead in business news,